Hi, I'm Lorna from Wearably Weird, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to lace sneakers in a standard style on my Air Force Ones. What we're going to do is we're going to begin by threading the laces down into each eyelet at the very bottom of the sneaker. That's one. And remember, you can pause if you like. Just catch up to me. Just like that. When they're nice and threaded, just double check that they are the same length. Mine are, and then we'll move on. Then what we're going to do is begin with the lace on the left hand side and take it over the shoe tongue and up into the next eyelet from the bottom, as I'm doing here. Now take the lace from the right hand side, bring it across the sneaker tongue and up into the second eyelet from the bottom on the left hand side from underneath. Now keep hold of the same lace, bring it over again to the right and up into the next eyelet up from underneath, just like this. See how tangled that gets? That's normal. Just untwist everything. Make sure it looks clean and fresh. Swap back to the other lace. Oh, there's an extra tangle there. See, you've got to be so careful. Swap to the other lace and bring it over the shoe tongue again and up into the next eyelet up on the left. It's starting to look really nice, isn't it? Keep a hold of the same lace, bring it over, up into the next eyelet up. And make sure you keep watching, so I'm going to show you what to do with this little loop here and how to bow the laces at the end. Now swap back to the other lace, bring it over, up into the next eyelet up from underneath. Can be a little bit fiddly, but there's no rush. Keep a hold of it, and now we're going to thread it underneath the loop here. Just like that. Bring it over and up into the next eyelet here. And again, repeat on the other side with the other lace, bringing it under here, making sure there's no creases, and then up into the next eyelet up from the bottom. It's looking good. And then keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, up into this eyelet here. We're getting close to the end. Take the other one, up into the next eyelet. And then again, keep a hold of this lace, bring it up into here, the final eyelet. Like that. Yours might be a little bit tricky, just like mine, but that's normal. And then back to the other lace, bring it up into the top eyelet on this side. Now we've got a really fresh, neat looking lacing pattern. What I personally like to do is go ahead and bow the lace as normal. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have a really crisp pair of standard lace sneakers. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people. Thanks!